Mr. Napoleon Abueva, commissioned by DOST-MRTC in 1975. The design depicts two men pouring molten metal from a ladle and was created using technologies such as the lost wax process or investment casting with brass patina, and finished with selective gold plating using an environmentally friendly non-cyanide gold brush plating. Additionally, the trophy includes a replica of the MIRDC marker, which was first unveiled during the Metals and Engineering Week in 2009. This marker showcases the crystal structure of iron and was created using advanced machining techniques. The spherical nodules that comprise the marker form a symmetry that represents both the MIRDC logo and that of DOST, symbolizing the collaboration between those MIRDC, industry partners, academia, and government agencies vital to the realization of the goals for the continual improvement of the metals and engineering industries.